Hello, students of class 11. Um, the other day we had already finished the poem Daybreak. We will be doing the poem Daybreak. And as we have seen, it is a poem of nature where the wind has been personified. And it is the wind is sort of a speaker for the poet himself, uh, who tries to rise means who tries to wake up the living world and ask everybody to welcome the morning and also to start with their daily activities. And we find that the wind which rises from the sea, it goes means from the sea. It first goes and greets the ships and then asks the mariners to start on with the journey. As the night is over, the night is gone, and then it hurries towards the land. And after going to the land, first it goes to the forest and asks the trees to unfold the leaves towards the rising sun. And then it goes to the woodbird, which is a very popular bird, to wake up and sing and welcome the morning, and it means announce the arrival of the morning. Then after that we find that it blows through the farms and asks the chanticleer, that is the domestic cock, to um, you know call out loudly and tell the people that to wake up, it's morning. And then it passes through the fields of corn, um, and since the corn field, it is ripe for harvest, the corn plants bend down, and it appears to the poet as though they are showing respect to the sun, which nourishes the corn. um, they are bending down by showing their gratitude towards the sun. And then the wind goes to the belfry tower, um, and asks it to you know um, ring and to proclaim the hour. Proclaim the hour means to tell people that it is morning and they should wake up. And only when it goes through the churchyard, that is where the dead souls lie, it proclaims the opposite. It says that no, you are in eternal sleep, and you can let your souls rest peacefully, because you have already done your duty. Your duty is over, and it is still on the day of judgment, so you can lie quietly. So this was about the poem. Now today we are going to, I've already given you the questions in the PDF, and today I will discuss the answers, the short answer questions given in the PDF. So the very first question is, who announces daybreak in the poem Daybreak? Who announces? It is the wind who announces the daybreak in the poem Daybreak. Daybreak is the dawn. Okay, that is just after the night. The first light of the morning. That is the daybreak. The early hours of the sun, means when the sun has just Now, the next question is, what does the phrase "not yet" in "quite lie" suggest? Not yet in quite, not yet is refers to the Christian belief, okay, that the dead souls will um, wake up on the day of the judgment. So the poet is means the wind is telling, as it blows over the chair to the dead souls to lie peacefully, as the day of judgment has not yet come. So once again I repeat, not yet in quiet lie means the wind blows over the churchyard and asks the dead souls to lie quietly, as the day of judgment has not yet come for them to wake up. Okay. The next question is, where did the wind hurry to in daybreak? It rose from the sea and then it hurried towards the land. There is also a geographical phenomena here about the land breeze and the sea breeze. Okay, that is, it's talking of the sea breeze, which blows from the sea to the land. What did the wind ask the woodbird to do? The wind asked the wind gently touched the woodbird's folded wings and asked it to wake up and sing. The woodbird sings very sweetly. Sing and announce the arrival of the morning. What is the wind's message to the forest in the daybreak? The wind goes to the forest and asks the trees to hang their leafy banners out. That is, it asks the leaves to unfold themselves towards the rising sun. Why does the wind proclaim differently when it crosses the churchyard? The churchyard is a place of the dead. Okay, the dead souls lie in eternal sleep. So it makes a different proclamation and tells them to lie in peace, as they have already done their duty, as they have already finished their duties. And the day of judgment has not yet come. What did the wind touch in daybreak? The wind gently touched the woodbird's folded wings. Okay. From where did the wind come in daybreak? The wind rose out of the sea. What did the wind say when it crossed the churchyard? I've already given the answer. That is, it's still not the day of judgment and they should lie quietly. What does the wind ask everyone to do? The wind asks everyone, that is the living world, to herald the dawn and to start with their daily activities. What does the wind tell the church bell to do? The wind asks the church bell or the belfry tower, means the bell of the church, the place where it is hung, it's known as belfry tower. So it asks the church bell to proclaim the hour. Proclaim the hour means to ring and announce the arrival of the morning. What is belfry tower? It is the bell tower and it is usually the part of the church. It is the bell that is hung in a tall place, and it is usually inside the church. So what you will write is, it is a bell tower. Belfry tower is a bell tower that is hung inside a church. What is the wind's mission in Daybreak? The wind's mission in Daybreak is to announce the advent of the morning, and to rouse everyone to action. Rouse the living world to action. Who does the wind tell to lie in peace? Again, the same answer you will write. What does the wind tell to sing at the advent? I'm sorry. Whom does the wind tell to sing at the advent? The wind tells the Chanticleer to call out loudly and announce the arrival of the morning. Chanticleer, or you can say the rooster or the domestic cock. What does the wind tell the mariners to do? The wind tells the mariners to sail on as the night is gone and it is morning. The wind urges the mariners to move on with their journey, to set sail on their journey as the night is gone. The next question is, where does the wind find the ships? The wind finds the ships at the sea. Stationed in the harbor also, you can write. What prevents the wind in Daybreak from blowing freely? The mists. That's why it says, oh mists, make room for me. Okay. What prevents means, you will write the mists prevents the wind in Daybreak from blowing freely. That is why it requests the wind. The wind requests the mist to make room, that is to move away so that it can blow unhindered. So what you are going to write is, who prevents? It is the mist who prevents the wind from blowing freely. Whom does the wind of the sea hail? The wind of the sea hails the ships. Hails means greets. Okay. What does the leafy banners signify? The leafy banners signify the beauty of the leaves, signify the the beauty of nature itself, and the long leaves, okay, which the wind means the leafy banners signify the beauty of the nature, and also the beauty of the branches with large leaves, okay, which whom the poet tells that they should hang their leafy banners out, that is, they should unfold itself to the rising sun. So these were the short questions. I have discussed all of them. Now you will write the questions as well the answers in your copy. Okay, hope you have understood what I have said. Thank you, students.